Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today in this tutorial, we will be practicing data formatting. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. So for formatting of a data, we will be using the functions which we have in the Home tab. So here we have a data of sales versus years. So the first format is, if you want to bold this data, you can press B, or else you can press Ctrl B. Or one more shortcut for bolding the data is Ctrl 2. If you want to do the italic, you can press this symbol, italic symbol, or else you can press Ctrl I, or else you can press Ctrl 3 for italic part. If you want to do the underline in your data, you can press this button, or else you can press Ctrl U, or else you can press Ctrl 4. If you want to change the font style, you can select any font from here. In these options you have too many fonts, so let us select any font, and from this you can change the font size. So for right now I am keeping it 12 only. With this button also you can increase the font size, and with this button small a you can decrease the font size. If you want to do the bordering in your data, so you can select your data first and go to this option and bottom border. So you can see that in this whole data you just have the bottom border. Same way the left border, right border. Suppose if you want to fill our cell with any color, so you have the fill option. You can fill any cells. If I want to change the font color, right now it is black, so you can use this font color option and change the font color as per your requirement. The next function is, right now I have green font over here and I want the same font color over here as well. So what I will do, I will go on a format printer and I'll just select the data, click on format printer, and I want this cell also to be green. So same format is now printed in this cell. If you want to copy the data, so you need to just press Ctrl C, and if you want to paste the data, you have to press Ctrl V. Or else, if you forget the shortcut, so you can select the data and here you have the copy option. So if you will click on this, you have the copy, so you can copy the data, and here you have the paste option. If you want to copy this data as a picture, so you have one more option as copy as picture. So if I will copy it as a picture as shown on screen, and I want it in a picture format, I will press OK and I will paste the data. So you can see that now it is copied as a picture. So the next part is alignment part. We have this data. Right now the alignment is in center. If we increase the row width, and if I will select some data, right now the alignment is down. If I want the data in the center, if I want the data in up, so we can select it as per our requirement. We can merge the cell as well. So suppose instead of writing cell over here, sales data over here, if I want to write the sales data in this all four, I want to merge this all four. So here is the merge and center option. So I can just press merge and you can see that the data is now merged. This is one full whole cell. Next is wrap tags. Suppose if my cell is small and I am not able to see full tags in one whole line, so I can select the wrap tags. The next is the numbers section. In numbers section we have different styles. So right now this is the general style. If I will change it into the numbers, so you can see that you have two decimals. Now if you want to remove these decimals, we have these options. Increase the decimal, so we can increase the decimal by clicking this, and if you want to decrease the decimal, you can decrease the decimal on clicking this decrease decimal button. Instead of going here and doing the percentage thing, you can directly do the percentage from here as well. The next is format part in cell section. So in format part, right now I am not able to see the full data. So I will go on format and I will auto fit column width. So now I can see the data clearly. Suppose if the height is small, so again I can go on format and auto fit the row height. So you can see that now clearly the data is visible. And if you want to hide or unhide any data, you can do the same. So suppose if I am selecting a column and I want to hide it, so I can go on visibility and hide column. Same way I can hide the row as well. Format, hide and unhide, and hide the row. And if you want to unhide the row, you just need to select the start and end row and again go to format and unhide the row, and same for unhide the column. We have one shortcut to hide and unhide the row. So suppose if I want to hide this C column, so I will press Alt, then I have this format option in the home page. So I will press H. Now for format I have the O, and to hide the row I need to go on this U section. So I will press U, and to hide a column we need to press C. So now the column is hidden. So the next part is we have done this all formatting. Now if I want to remove the data, or I just want the data to be there and I want to remove all the formatting, so I will go on this clear and clear formatting. So now you can see the format is clear and it will automatically come in the default caliber font and 11 size. If instead of formatting the data, if I want to clear everything, clear content, so format will remain as it is, just the content is clear. And if I want to clear the content and format both, so I will clear all. Everything is now clear from this particular selected area. That's all for this video. If you liked the video, do share it with your friends.